for watching this video. Upcoming, we go to a friend's daughter's birthday party, make some quiches towards the for the buffet, and go shopping. And you see us get dressed up. Brian is a cowboy, I'm a cowgirl, and so is my granddaughter. My son gets dressed up as a vampire, and he's GF as a bat. I'm going to get one for everybody.
2 for 350.
What about them 275? That's enough.
We'll do it for an extra 75p. I got 2 of them. Big one. Got 2 for
Toes. I've already bought them. You good? Oh, we'll come with you so we don't get fingered. Her hands are freezing. Don't one of these in them. You want them?
You got that one?
Oh look, they've got an elf one. Look that one.
No, I didn't notice. No. Can't have that.
Right, we're looking for some blue now. Oh look, 8 break cushions. You don't say I can make one. No glue? This is not stationary, it's only around stationary. Yeah, but it's only around stationary. These are just birthday, aren't they? What's that one? Excuse me. Do you know? Have you got any silk? Do you sell super glue? Oh, okay. Might be on here somewhere. Might be something on here.
Yeah. 175.
Yeah, that'll do. Right.
We'll get there.
Booze, business. Come on then. Do you want a milkshake, Gary, and something in a bit? Cheeky, oh yeah. Sneaky bugger. Right, then I just need to get milkshake for us, and when we've got that other thing. No, just a big bottle of stuff. Where's Chris? Right, what Chris do you want? Sienna? Cheese and onion. Cheese and onion. Should we just get them big ones? Yeah. Yeah. No, we'll put it boosting first. I can walk up there afterwards. We'll go down here, we'll look for some fit dogs. We'll meet you around at Bottom Bray. It's Apple's birthday next week. Oh no, they can't have them. Don't just put them in the basket when you go around. Your hands are freezing, love it. Brian, get him that and I'll make him a cocktail. It's not even December yet, is it? Right, milkshake, yogurts, milk, this daddy, I love. Right, you can choose yours. Down at the bottom, left hand side. Oh, it's cold. Oh, can 20 minutes?
What? No, next one.
Oh, do you want strawberry or chocolate? Oh, strawberry or banana? Strawberry. Oh, banana. Banana. What, love? Strawberry. Okay. Come on then, let's go back and get nice and warm and cosy. Like this thinking about. Carry that one. I'll carry this one. Oh, that I went far off. I said 50.
50p.
I said. Maddie, happy birthday to you.
Happy 16th birthday, Madison.
Brian Wilson.
I'll let you know a little secret. I'm on here because you won't pay me.